All right, let's talk about StormTrade. This is a new platform that's doing something pretty wild. They're putting a full-blown crypto derivatives exchange right inside Telegram. Yeah, you heard that right. So how are they actually making this happen? You know how crypto trading usually is, right? You're jumping between different apps, the interfaces are kind of clunky, and honestly, it can be a huge headache to learn. Well, StormTrade starts with a really simple but powerful idea. What if trading was as easy as sending a message to a friend? And boom, here's their answer. StormTrade is the first ever decentralized derivatives platform built right on the TON blockchain, and it's completely inside Telegram. And this isn't just a gimmick to make things easier. No, this is about creating a super smooth on-ramp for millions of people to get into DeFi. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's dive in and see how StormTrade packs all this power into something you can use right from your phone. So first, let's do a quick recap. You've got spot trading, which is what most people think of. Buy the coin, hope it goes up, sell it. Simple. But StormTrade is all about futures. That's where you're not buying the coin itself, but a contract on its price. And here's the cool part. You can make money whether the price goes up or down. It's a total game changer. And getting set up, it is ridiculously easy. Seriously. You just open their bot and Telegram, or use the web app. Connect your TON wallet, like TONkeeper, or even the wallet that's built right into Telegram. And that's literally it. You are ready to trade. No crazy sign-up forms, no waiting for approval. It's just fast. But okay, don't let that simplicity fool you into thinking this is some kind of basic tool. Oh no, under the hood, this thing is an absolute beast. It's a professional-grade trading engine. Let's peel back the layers. And when I say powerful, I'm not kidding. Check this out. Up to 500x leverage. Now, look, that is definitely a tool for the pros, but what it shows you is just how serious this platform is. It lets you pull off some really capital-efficient moves, controlling a huge position with just a little bit of your own money. And just look at the range of stuff you can trade here. This is not just another crypto exchange. We're talking Bitcoin, TON, sure, but also stocks like Nvidia and Apple, major Forex pairs, and even commodities like gold and silver. It's all right there in one single app. Okay, this next part is a huge deal for anyone who's ever traded. You know that super annoying thing called slippage, where the price you think you're getting when you click the button isn't the price you actually get? Well, Storm's special sequencer tech gets rid of it completely. The price you see is the price you trade at, period. That is a massive, massive confidence boost. And they're super smart about risk management too. They use something called isolated margin. Think of it this way. Every trade you make is in its own little protective bubble. You decide exactly how much money goes into that bubble. So if one trade goes south and gets liquidated, it doesn't sink your whole ship. It only affects the money in that one bubble. It's a great way to protect yourself. All right, so the trading tools are obviously top-notch, but that's only half the story. See, Storm is building way more than just a platform. They're building a whole community, and it's woven right into the fabric of the app. They've got this whole social-fi thing going on, and it's all about making trading more, well, social. You can team up with friends in squads for trading competitions, deck out your profile with cool NFTs, and of course, share your big wins. It basically turns trading from a solo grind into a team sport, which is pretty awesome. And this trade sharing feature? I think this is so cool. In just a couple of clicks, you can create this nice little graphic of your profit and loss to show off. But here's the genius part. You can also create a deep link. If a friend clicks that link, it opens StormTrade for them with your exact trade setup already plugged in. They can copy your move in an instant. Now, this next thing is something that really sets them apart. A lot of exchanges kind of just throw you in the deep end and expect you to know everything. StormTrade does the opposite. They actually pay you to learn. Yep, it's called the Storm Academy. It's basically a free school for traders, right inside Telegram. You go through these short, fun courses on everything from the absolute basics to some pretty advanced stuff. And when you pass a quiz at the end, you don't just get a pat on the back. You earn actual reward points, or RP. And those RPs aren't just for show. They have real value. You earn them by trading, by providing liquidity, and by bringing your friends on board. Then, at the end of what they call a mining season, all the RP you've collected helps determine how big of a slice you get of the official STRM token airdrop. So yeah, the more you learn and the more you participate, the more you can earn. It's a pretty sweet deal. Okay, but let's talk about the serious stuff for a minute. All these cool features don't mean a thing if the platform isn't secure, right? So let's see how Storm handles security, and then we'll take a peek at what's coming next.
In the world of DeFi, security audits are absolutely essential, and StormTrade has been put through the ringer by two of the biggest names out there, Quantstamp and TON Tech. And the verdict? As you can see right here, no critical or high-risk vulnerabilities found. That is a massive stamp of approval. It tells you their code is solid.
And trust me, they are not resting on their laurels. Their roadmap is packed. We're talking an even faster trading engine, a built-in wallet where you control your keys. They're adding spot trading, copy trading, and even getting into AI to help with strategy. The future for Storm looks absolutely huge. So when you put it all together, what do you get? By mixing a super powerful decentralized exchange with the social world of Telegram, StormTrade is doing more than just making a new app. They're totally rethinking what trading can be. They're making it easy, social, educational, and super secure. The only real question is, are you ready to change the way you trade?